Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. Most people think box mixes are basic, but it's all about how you consume them. I focus on texture and flavor, and these small changes make a big differences. I'm using Betty Crocker white cake swirl mix, but I'm not following the box recipe. Today I'm making it richer, softer and more bakery style. Instead of 3 eggs, I use 4 for texture and moisture. Water is replaced with milk, giving the cake a softer, creamier texture. I also add a little extra sugar. Oil is replaced with butter, a touch of vanilla essence, and a small amount of baking powder, and a little pinch of salt. Just enough to lift the cake without losing control. If you love simple baking upgrades, make sure to like and subscribe for more amazing recipes. I mix slowly and gradually, no rush. The batter becomes smooth, thick and glossy. Exactly what a burnt cake looks like and what the burnt cake needs. At this point, divide the batter into 2 parts. That's my upgraded box cake in burnt cake pan. But you can also bake it in a round pan if you like. The swirl batter is added carefully. I don't overmix. I let the pattern stay natural. The batter is leveled evenly right into the pan. The final coat goes on smooth and slow. And that's when the burnt edges appears. Clean, sharp and so satisfying. This is proof that a box cake mix can be transformed. Save this for your next cake recipe. And that's it. Our upgraded box cake burnt is ready to enjoy. Save this video and subscribe for more easy cake upgrades. Like and share if you love burnt cakes. See you in the next video inshallah. Take care of yourself and the people around you.